Hi, my name is Dustin Harper. I'm from Harmon Construction. We're at the Beyer Volvo project. We're inside and I want to show you a couple cool features about this project. Off to the right, we have a really interesting overhead door. It's actually made by Ridetech. You can drive in and these doors go up pretty quickly. One interesting feature about that is that these panels not only are see-through, so you could see when vehicle traffic is approaching, but they're actually made out of Lexan, which allows them to retract and roll up. One of the more complicated things about this job is that it's not like an up-down button, which you normally see on overhead doors or garage doors. It actually has a control panel. It's a smart system. This thing's wired with sensors and other controls that allow it to retract quickly. I'm gonna hit this button and you can see these roll-up doors in action. The vehicle then drives in, obviously, and gives you plenty of time to pull a car into a bay and start working on it, and it'll close right down. If we keep going to the other end of the building, we're gonna see the alignment bay. The interesting part about this is we had to recess it. That way the equipment could be at flush and floor level to pull a vehicle right on top of the equipment, and then it allows it with hydraulics to move up, and they could set the wheels on there and dial in the settings for the vehicle. So if we walk over on this far wall, what you can see is this equipment here, and basically what that does is applies fluids that you normally see if you're at like a Jiffy Lube or any garage, and they have their hood up and they're pumping in oil or transmission fluid or any other fluids like that. All that stuff's located outside. It comes up through these lines and goes into, the ceiling area, and then comes out and is delivered via these supply lines. Last but not least, we've got a matching Ridetech door on the other side of the building, and cars can come in, they get their service done and leave via the other door. And those are some of the special features incorporated in this design build project for our client.